How to send an email in Gmail on Android. First, open the Gmail application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Compose the email. Tap on the compose icon that you can see at bottom. Now you'll be able to compose the email. Enter the recipient's email address over here. After you add the recipient, enter the subject over here. Make sure to enter the subject, otherwise your email will be sent in the spam folder. Now tap on the field Compose Email. Enter the body part of your email over here. You can also attach the files if you want. Tap on the attach icon that you can see at top. Tap on the option of your choice. You can attach photos, camera, files. You can also attach the files from Drive. After you do that, tap on the three dots that you can see at the top. You can see various options like schedule send, add from contacts, confidential mode, save draft, etc. If you want to perform any of these activities, you can tap on it. After that, tap on the send icon that you can see at the top of your screen. Wait for a while. Now after you do that, you can see over here the email has been sent. Like this, you can send email in Gmail on Android. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.